Art2Frames.com makes it easy to design your own custom picture frames. Just go to Art2Frames.com and click on Personalized Framing. You'll see a sample frame with several images tied together with a colored mat. Your design can include 1 image with a mat, 5 images, up to 50 images, or choose 0 images to place 1 picture in a frame without using a mat at all. Next, choose the size and arrangement of your images. Scroll down for more layouts and click on the one you want. You can also click Edit and choose a new shape for one of your images. You can even choose letters and spell out a word. Click on Step 2 to choose your frame. You can scroll through more than 100 styles, hover over a frame for more information, and click on the one you want. Or click Details to review all of our frames. Click to select a frame, and then click Done at the top. Now, click on Step 3. You can choose a color for your top mat, which will fill the frame and tie your design together. Just hover over a color for a preview and click to select. Click Top Mat again to close the color picker. If you chose one of our standard designs, you can also choose a color for your bottom mat, which will surround and highlight each image. Then open the drop-down to choose how much of this color should show. Please note, you can also click on Wall Color underneath the preview and choose the color of the wall where you'll hang your frame. That way you can pick a frame and a mat that will look great in your room. Once you've chosen your mats, click on Step 4. You can click Select Images and upload image files from your hard drive. Or open the drop-down and import images from your accounts on Facebook, Flickr, Picasa, or SmugMug, or even professional photos from Getty Images. Then start dragging your images to the openings. Be sure to use high-res images, especially if you've chosen a large frame. You can click Edit to fine-tune an image. As before, you can change the image's shape. You can also apply a filter to make it black and white or sepia. You can rotate your image. You can zoom in and drag your image to position it in the opening. You can even choose a different image instead. When you're done, you can apply your changes without leaving the editor. Save your changes and move on to your next image, or save your changes and close the editor. When you're happy with your images, you can click on Step 5 and add custom text to your design. Just type in a caption and decide if it should appear on white paper or colored parchment. You can also choose a color for your text, decide if it should appear at the top or the bottom of your frame, and choose a font. In Step 6, you can choose which type of photographic paper you'd like to use, satin finish or matte finish. Move on to Step 7 to choose your glass. You can select lightweight plexiglass, regular glass, non-glare glass, or even high-quality museum glass. Some glass options may not be available depending on the size of your frame. Finally, click on Step 8 and choose the hardware to hang your frame. Again, your options will depend on the size and weight of your frame. You can go back to any step you like and make any changes. For instance, if I change the width of my bottom mat, my custom text automatically changes size to fit the available space. When you're happy with your design, click Add to Cart at the top. You can click on Quick Checkout and enter your payment details, or pay instantly with Google Checkout. We'll generate lab-quality prints of your pictures, assemble your custom frame, pack it carefully, and ship it out with everything you need to display it. Frame your memories just the way you want them at a fraction of the cost of traditional frame stores at Art2Frames.com.